Hi everyone, my name is Jorge Vasquez and welcome to my course Build, Train and Deploy Machine Learning Models with AWS SageMaker. AWS SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning service and it's a great place to start if you want to quickly get machine learning into your applications. In this course, you are going to learn the skills you need to create machine learning models in AWS SageMaker and to integrate them into your applications. Some of the major topics that we will cover include building and training machine learning models in AWS SageMaker, deploying trained models to AWS SageMaker hosting services, building REST APIs for integrating deployed models with external applications, using AWS API Gateway and AWS Lambda, managing security and scalability in AWS SageMaker. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to create machine learning models in AWS SageMaker for your own use cases, so you can integrate them with your own applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with machine learning basic concepts, deep learning and convolutional neural networks concepts, Python 3 programming, using Jupyter notebooks, using TensorFlow and Apache MXNet. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AWS SageMaker with the Build, Train and Deploy Machine Learning Models with AWS SageMaker course at Pluralsight.